Continued rise in interest rates spooking the market today as surging bond yields really sparked the sell-off, especially in the tech sector. The Dow was down almost 600 points today and closed near its low. S&P down about 2.5%, closing near its low, and the Nasdaq down about 3.5%, closing near its low. That's now down 5% for the week. The Russell was also down 3.5% today. The 10-year yield did touch just over 1.6% today, closed lower than that, but that's the highest point it's been since February of 2020. And the spike in the 10-year now puts the yield above the S&P 500 dividend yield, meaning equities have now lost their premiums to bonds. Consumer discretionary and infotech were the two biggest losers across the board today. Energies continue to be on the positive, and we're up about 7% so far for the week. This was really overshadowed by some better than expected economic news this morning. First-time unemployment numbers came in at only 730,000 versus the 845,000 number, and durable goods orders were up 3.4% versus an expectation of about 1%. Yesterday, ES option data was actually a heavy call buying day. About 600,000 options traded total. 40% were calls. We typically see that number closer to only 30%. The volume leader on the day was the end of the month, February 3930 call, about 8,600 of those traded. With this added volatility that we're seeing in the marketplace, S&P options are pricing in a move just one day to the end of the day tomorrow of about $55 and going out to next Friday about $125. And speaking of that spike in volatility, we saw the NASDAQ Vol Q futures trade up to 33.46 at its highest point today, which is the highest since last November. Bitcoin and Ethereum, a little bit of a bounce back here. Bitcoin traded as high as 52,000 today, settling in flat on the day, but about 13,000 contracts traded here at the CME. Ethereum down a little bit, trading down at 1570, but almost 1,000 contracts traded here at CME today.